Please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe. Thanks. Blackrock. Bulls say. BlackRock is one of the largest asset managers in the world, with $7.318 trillion in AUM at the end of June 2020 and clients in more than 100 countries. Product diversity and a heavier concentration in the institutional channel have traditionally provided BlackRock with a much more stable set of assets than its peers. BlackRock's well-diversified product mix makes it fairly agnostic to shifts among asset classes and investment strategies, limiting the impact that market swings or withdrawals from individual asset classes or investment styles can have on its AUM. Bears say. The sheer size and scale of BlackRock's operations could end up being the biggest impediment to the firm's long-term growth. Despite accounting for 60% of total long-term AUM, direct institutional client arrangements generate just 35% of BlackRock's long-term base fees, given the lower fee structure attached to these larger investment mandates. While actively managed funds account for 27% of total long-term AUM, they generate 46% of long-term base fees, increasing the pressure on BlackRock to get its active equity and fixed income offerings on a more consistent footing. Analyst Ratings. Buy, 76%. Hold, 24%. Sell, 0%. Market cap, $87.06 billion. Average volume, 561.17 thousand. Dividend yield, 2.41%. Check out our store. Link in the description. Berkshire Hathaway. Bulls say. Berkshire's stock performance has solid as well, increasing at an 8.5%, 13.1% CAGR during 2015-19, 2010-19, compared with an 11.7%, 13.6% average annual return for the S&P 500 TR index. Book value per share, which is a good proxy for measuring changes in Berkshire's intrinsic value, increased at an estimated 18.8% CAGR during 1965 to 2019, compared with a 10.1% return for the S&P 500 TR index. At the end of December 2019, Berkshire had $129.4 billion in insurance float. The cost of the firm's float has been negative for much of the past decade. Bears say. Berkshire's insurance business faces competitive and highly cyclical markets that occasionally produce large losses, and several of its non-insurance operations are economically sensitive and focused on U.S. markets. Given the size of its operations, Berkshire's biggest long-term hurdle will be its ability to consistently find deals that not only add value but are large enough to be meaningful. Another big issue facing the firm is the longevity of Chairman and CEO Warren Buffett, who turns 90 at the end of August 2020, and Managing Partner Charlie Munger, who turned 96 in January 2020. Analyst Ratings. Buy, 50%. Hold, 50%. Sell, 0%. Market cap, $486.59 billion. Average volume, 5.45 million. Get free stocks with Webull and Robinhood. As always, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.